Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the error 195. The AMD software installer cannot continue because it is unable to access the required web resources. So it's very possible when you install the AMD driver using the AMD tools or software installer, you cut your connection or the connection is off, the Wi-Fi connection is off. So the error 195 it's happened, and of course this may be caused by your system antivirus, firewall, and the AMD servers are temporarily offline for maintenance. Let's jump to the point 4. If the AMD servers may be temporarily offline due to maintenance, you cannot do anything. You have all you have to do is just wait. The AMD server is going back to the normal. And if the AMD auto detect install tool a corrupted or error, you can use the manual driver. Don't use auto detect. Just use manually by select your graphic card, for example Radeon RX 5000 series, and submit. And here you can try to search by Windows 64-bit edition, Windows 11, and use this Adrenaline edition latest update, latest version, and download. Yeah, so you can disable your antivirus first, temporarily of course, until the installation the AMD software package is complete, and you can configure your system firewall to allow traffic with AMD servers. For example, you can try to type firewall here, allow an app through Windows Firewall, and allow AMD here, allow the AMD servers while the AMD server installer is running here. So feel free to try to fix this. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and click the button below.